California is the support of hydrogen vehicles in the U.S. In the event that power device vehicles spread from that point the way sourdough bread and standardized wheat have advanced the nation over, we should focus on what's going on in the Golden State. One feature important is that Toyota has sold 3,000 units of its Mirai power device car in California, the automaker declared. For an ordinary vehicle, 3,000 isn't an amazing number. Consider, however, that there are just 31 hydrogen energizing stations at which to top them off in the state, and that they're found fundamentally around Los Angeles and the San Francisco Bay Area. That helps put the deals into point of view. Maybe more strangely, Toyota asserts that the Mirai makes up 80% of all power device vehicles out and about in the U.S. That won't not be the situation for long, however. Different automakers are gradually tightening up their hydrogen vehicle projects to check their gathering basically in, you got it, California. There, Honda is offering its Clarity fuel cell, and Hyundai is planning to dispatch its second year of hydrogen-controlled SUV with the 2019 Nexo. That is not really a terrible thing for Toyota, however, on the grounds that, as with battery electric vehicles, a rising tide stands to raise every one of the boats here. On the off chance that these different FCEVs get on, that will just produce more enthusiasm for the Mirai, or some other hydrogen auto Toyota or different automakers construct. For the present, Toyota is praising its little hydrogen triumph. Toyota stays at the bleeding edge of creating and conveying hydrogen energy component innovation, and we accept emphatically in its capability to help understand a more manageable and zero discharges society, said Toyota North America Executive VP Bob Carter. From our achievement in propelling them right to our work in building the world's first megawatt-scale carbonate energy unit control age plant, Toyota is pleased to convey to showcase new uses for this flexible innovation. The Toyota Mirai has a driving scope of around 312 miles on one tank of hydrogen, and a consolidated mileage of 67. Clients as of now get 3 years of complimentary fuel incorporated into the Mirai's $58,365 base MSRP, before liberal impetus is worth about $12,500. California's hydrogen energizing system keeps on growing, with 12 more stations expected in 2018. The East Coast's hydrogen range is additionally developing,